Welcome. In this video, I'll go over unboxing of the Ellipal, I think that's how we pronounce it, Titan 2.0, and yeah, I'll just get straight into it. So one thing that I find very interesting here, it's basically a crypto wallet, cold one, and it looks like it kind of tries to market itself as very secure, which I'm confused out of the box. They haven't really looked at this at all, but it has no cellular connection, no Bluetooth, no USB connection, no Wi-Fi, and no NFC. So how the hell are you supposed to transfer over any funds to this cold wallet? Anyway, now reality, I'm expecting that it's going to have a USB port even for charging. If it doesn't, I'm going to be very confused. And oh, okay, I am confused now. As it doesn't have any kind of port. It has these pogo pins right here. Anyway, below that we have the station to charge it. Okay. Not a bad design. We also got a 16GB card in here. Looks very sketchy as it just says 16GB and no branding. And then we got our Type A to Type C cable, which you plug in at the very top right here. And this will presumably charge it and connect it. So let's actually see. It's gonna connect. I am kind of curious. It does say that it doesn't connect, right? Unless it just means that just the device itself doesn't have any kind of ports. But it's also not showing up in my computer. Now, that could be because I possibly might need to download an application. As truth be told, I am pretty sure this would connect with the computer once everything is set up, as you do need to somehow transfer over funds to it. A cold wallet is kind of pointless if you can't access it at all. But in any case, the build quality of this device is actually pretty nice. It's solid. This feels like it's some kind of aluminum chassis. It has some head to it. It actually feels very premium. The display right here, I've seen some cold wallets, and out of all of them, this actually seems to have, at the moment, from my experience, the best display. But when you compare to some like phones, this is still like far behind. It is, at least it is an LCD touch display. Some of the cold wallets that I've seen, possibly just old ones, they had one of those like plastic layers where you just need to like really press it down, otherwise it wouldn't register it. So this is more traditional kind of touch display. But like I said, if you compare it to normal phone nowadays, this feels, in terms of the display tech, very dated, but it's supposed to store money, not look great. And in terms of security, it seems like it's going to probably do a very good job. And at the back, we also have a camera and this kind of diamond-shaped gold surrounded pump, as it does protrude just a little bit. So anyway, that's basically everything that there is to it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.